Hi guys, it's me Nisha from Perfect Homes again. So today I'm here at Siritara Condominium. So this condo is really near Mae Hia's locations and is only 5 minutes to the city. And if you can see, it's really nature right here. So if you guys live here, so if you go to the city, it's only 5 minutes and it's near Makro, near Big C and near Lotus as well. If you wanted to go to Canal Road, it's easy as well too. Today I would like to show you guys the studio room is only 37 square meters, and yeah, let's check it out, the new room. Come on. So right now I'm here at the studio type of the room of Siritara Condo. So this room is have a 37 square meters. So I want to show you guys. So when you open the door, right, and then for this side is have a little bit of kitchens, and they have a sink, and then they have microwave, they have the refrigerator, and important thing that they have the storage, so you can put all the stuff inside, so you don't feel messy around here. And then another side of this is have a bathroom. So this bathroom is have hot and cold water system as well, and then a really nice clean, yeah. So let's see on the downside. So when you're walking in, so you feel like a little bit homey this area. So when you walk a little bit up over there, you're gonna see the really big table right here. So you can either like a table for eating, or either you can work on this table because it's huge, if you can see. And one thing I really liked is the lights. So if you can see, that's really nice and a little clean mix here. It's pretty cool. And then you walk a little bit. So this side is have a really big closet right here. It's a built-in. So either you gonna put this area, and they have I know this room, it doesn't have any sofa. If you would like to have a sofa, you can put it this area as well. So they have space as well. And you can see the room is a really on the same tone. So it's like a brown color. Look at my pen. So it's a brown color, and they have a wallpaper as well, and then it's matched with the bed. So here's is a really big bed, and yeah, it's not built in, actually you can move, but this wall, so I think the owner, they do a really good job on this style. So it's matched with the bed, that's the wood bed. And if you walk a little bit more, so we have this one is not built in, actually it's just a table, so you can put the TV inside of here, and then you can watch TV from your bed. And the only thing that I really like is they have the AC in front of your bed, so you can get a really cozy and cold at the same time. Yeah. And they have a really big balcony right here, so you can see a different of the building outside. You can see everything from outside, so it makes it doesn't the lights from outside you can see it as well. So this room is pretty nice, and yeah. So what you guys think about the room that I have shown you guys? So I would like to remind you guys again, is the studio room is 37 square meters. So the room is at Siritara Condominium. The locations is near Mae Hia locations, near Lotus, near Makro, and near Big C as well. It's only 5 minutes to the city. If you guys would like to see this beautiful condominium, please call us on this phone number, and don't forget to like and subscribe on the Perfect Home channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.